Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the economics of gender. We are going to start with introduction, uh, gender economics, meaning, importance and concepts of women's studies in this session. With respect to the meaning of gender economics, the WHO the WHO World Health Organization defines gender as it is refers to the socially constructed characteristics of women and men, such as norms, roles, and relationship of the relationship between the groups of women and men. It varies from various society to society, and it can be changed with respect to the nation to nation. There are some popular concepts which are related to the field of women's studies, which includes feminist theory, standpoint theory, intersectionality theory, multiculturalism, and transnational feminism with social justice. First, we'll see the brief idea about the feminist theory. Feminist theory is the extension of feminism into theoretical, fictional, or philosophical discourse. The major aim is to understand the nature of the gender inequality. And the another important objective of feminist theory is to examine the women's and men's social roles, experience, interests, and routine works and feminist politics in a variety of the fields such as anthropology and sociology, communication, media studies, home economics, literature, education, and philosophy. This is the brief idea of feminist theory, which what talks about. And second one is a standpoint theory, which enables to make a post of modernistic approach on people's perception, and it states how the day-to-day experience alters or influence a person's opinion. Generally, the standpoint arises when people recognize the value of power that creates the different groups within the society. So, the feminist theory and the standpoint theory both together will explain the important, significant role of men and women in the society. Then next one is intersectionality approach. The intersectionality approach is an analytical framework for understanding how aspects of a person's social and political identities combine to create different modes of discrimination and privilege. The examples of these aspects are the gender, caste differentiation, sex differentiation, class differentiation, sexuality, religious differences, disability, physical appearance, and so on. Then another one is multiculturalism, which represents the various different concepts and approaches towards the multiculturals across the society. In reference to sociology, multiculturalism is the end state of either a natural or artificial process. If we take an example, legally controlled immigration, and it occurs on either a large national scale or on a smaller scale within a nation's communities. It is called as the multiculturalism. And the part of approach under the gender economics theoretical way is the transnational feminism. The transnational feminism refers to both a contemporary feminist paradigm and the corresponding activist movement. Both two dimensions will mix together into the transnational feminism. One is contemporary feminist paradigm and the corresponding activist movement. Both the theories and activist practices are concerned with how globalization and capitalism affect people across the nations, that is with respect to genders, classes, and differentiation in sexualities. Then next we'll move on to the concept of social justice. Social justice is the view that everyone deserves equal economic, political, and social rights and opportunities. If we take an example of social workers, they aim to open the doors of access and opportunity for everyone, particularly those in greatest need. National Association of Social Workers, which contributes to bring out the problems of this social justice. Social justice encompasses the economic justice. Obviously, the social justice and the economic justice is closely interrelated. Thank you.